10 healthy alternatives to white rice. Whoever informed you that white rice is healthful? Throw them away. Drop them as a buddy. I mean, not backlash physically. They are undoubtedly already overweight due to all the calories they consume. People appear to associate the word rice with low-calorie foods. The truth is that only some varieties provide this advantage. A single serving of white includes 53 grams of carbohydrates, and I don't know about you, but a single serving isn't going to fill me full. There are plenty of delicious foods that work as alternatives if you're attempting to shed a few pounds. Have you ever heard of bulgur? What about the vitamin K? Which delicious side dish aids in the fight against Alzheimer's? All of these questions and more will be addressed in our list of 10 healthy alternatives to white rice. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe for a constant diet of healthy Bistai content. So, why is white rice used? It can't possibly be that horrible. There are plenty of meals that are worse for you than white rice. That does not provide an answer to my query. Why is white rice used? It's how I make ends meet. To be honest, you might have simply answered your own question. White rice has become one of the go-to cuisines for young people on a budget due to its low cost and simple preparation methods. Many of its nutrients are lost as a result of the processing following harvest. Because it is consumed in such high quantities, it might have a negative impact on your health. Here are some possible substitutes. Barley. We understand that some of you are probably scratching your heads and saying, "Barley, that sounds terrible. We're sorry to break it to you." But if you're like the other 99% of people who've had soup, you've already had it. Barley is a cereal grain that can be found in a number of nutritious dishes. It is high in numerous minerals, including fiber, vitamin B, and copper. These can benefit your digestive system while also reducing microorganisms in your intestines. But how can it assist me in losing weight? It's actually quite straightforward. When you eat barley, hormones are released into your body. This increases your metabolism, allowing you to lose weight faster. Bulgur. Let us get this out of the way first. Bulgur doesn't sound like something you'd like to eat. But, in keeping with our theme of strange-sounding foods, bulgur can be a terrific substitute for white rice. Bulgur is a cereal that originated in Mediterranean culture. Bulgur, like other ingredients in your favorite soup, may also be a great addition to veggie burgers, along with traditional vegetables and spices. While it has 34 grams of carbohydrates, it also offers 6 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and 10 milligrams of calcium in a single meal. Wheat will also help your intestines fight off hazardous microorganisms. Beans, green. At this point, you may be wondering, what kind of list is this? Is this a plot to get me to eat dull vegetables? Is my mother setting me up? We're not about to cram bland-looking vegetables down your throat. Do you dislike green beans? We can always discuss additional bulgur. Green beans are a common side dish for many meals. A single serving has only 28 calories and 5 grams of carbohydrates. Quinoa. Quinoa, one of the most popular health foods on the planet, is another wise choice in the realm of weight loss. Quinoa, a gluten-free pseudo-cereal, contains up to 8 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, and significant levels of iron, potassium, and copper. Quinoa's combination of nutrients helps decrease blood sugar and cholesterol and is best served with salads and other greens. Plus, how often do you come across a health meal with a catchy name? Cauliflower. When it comes to having fun, nothing beats cauliflower. That was a prank. But did you know that the most unappealing sounding vegetable might be the most beneficial to your health? Just follow along for a second while your inner child is probably screaming and banging. Cauliflower is abundant in fiber and antioxidants, which help prevent cancer cell growth. This stuff could save lives. While cauliflower alone is sufficient, chicken cauliflower fried rice is ideal for those seeking a bit extra flavor. Pilaf of rice. While we're on the subject of intriguing and nutritious blends, this one is sure to wake up your taste buds. While white rice is often used as the base for pilaf, any type would suffice if you want to improve the overall flavor. For those of you bulgur fans out there, you'll be pleased to know that many civilizations utilize this as a substitute. Spices, meats, and dried fruits are also common pilaf ingredients. Fries with squash. Looking to be healthy while maintaining your cool factor? Squash fries will suffice. While the thought of squash makes most people squirm, we promise you that squash fries are nothing to fear. With only 20 grams of carbs, this delightful low-fat snack is surprisingly low in carbs. Instead of eating grease-soaked, salty French fries, squash fries revealed to be a novel and delectable new cuisine. Broccoli sprouts. I hope our options do not drive you away, but we are attempting to assist you. Guys, broaden your horizons. Have you ever heard of vitamin K? It's in charge of calcium regulation, enhancing metabolism, and even avoiding blood clots. Brussels sprouts have 150 mcg every 12 cup, which is more than enough to meet the typical adult's daily requirement of 120 micrograms. Broccoli salad. It might be difficult to navigate the world of vegetables, There are simply too many healthy options available. Broccoli began as a wild cabbage during Roman times and expanded over the world to become the most despised dish on your child's plate. We believe it is past time to modify its legacy. Broccoli, like Brussels sprouts, is high in vitamin K, fiber, and potassium. With some red onions, sunflower seeds, and dried cranberries, you've got yourself a nutritious salad. But be cautious when cooking. Broccoli loses 90% of its nutrients when boiled. It's best to steam, fry, or nuke them in the microwave. Salad with kale and squash. The palates of the majority of young people are not particularly diversified. Bringing up kale should send you running for the hills. On second thinking, I guess I'll stick with bulgur. Some people say only hearing the word kale, whether you like it or not, is extremely beneficial to your health. Kale contains a lot of vitamin A, which can help your immune system, lungs, and kidneys. It also has a lot of copper, potassium, and calcium. With all of these advantages, why not utilize it as a salad base when you're not eating them as fries? Toss in some squash and pomegranate. The antioxidants in this mixture may be useful in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. Which item on this list is your favorite? Is there an alternative for white rice that you have that we may have overlooked? Please share your thoughts in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to the Healthy Bestie channel. Good luck!